Right, to add to our collection of proper English wildflowers, here we've got some wild garlic, which if you were here, you could really have that garlicky smell. In fact, you can eat it um, and put it in a salad uh, and in your cooking. And at the background, you can see there are actually quite a few bluebells now, well and truly out. So it's absolutely going to be a glorious sight when we come along in a fortnight's time. So there we go, wild garlic, a beautiful flower in its own right. And you can really smell that garlic perfume in the air. Bye again, Jerry.